Hey guys, well I took off at 3 o'clock this arvo and did about 3 parks. Ended up at Yamina, did Yamina Park, did the beach all the way to Ocean Beach, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning, so that's a good 12 hours. And this is what I come up with. Bit of junk there, bit of a Citroen tag, bit of junker. That key's exactly the same key that's fallen in half. Awesome. And, well, plenty of coins. So 20 bucks in twos and 13, 14 bucks in ones. A ring right at the very end. Steel. The magnet picks it up. And scored a penny. That's 1936. And this I thought was a $2 coin, but it's a euro. It's a Spaniard, 1999, 10 cents euro, but exactly the same shape as a tour. The only thing that I picked up on it was because it's a hell of a lot thinner with these little funny edges on it. So anyway, I like the penny. I thought it said 1930 to start off with, but it's a 1938. And little threepence. So, not a bad night. 12 hours, long stint. And I'll tell you what, all my beaches have been milked, and winter's always a shocker. No one goes down the beach during the winter. So anyway, I've had to think outside the box and go everywhere today just to get that. So anyway, 3 o'clock in the morning, it's a wrap up. Alright guys, take care.